In this presentation, I will talk about one of Juniper's solution in a campus network, a Miss-H sample use case. What is Miss-H? Miss-H can be deployed as either virtual machine or physical appliance depending on specific needs and preference of the organization. This flexible deployment allows for easy integration with existing infrastructure and provides scalability to meet changing demands. Miss-H provide L2 extension by creating tunnel between the access point and the Miss-H. Another option, it could be also IPsec tunnel. With this tunnel, it allows the access point to communicate with Miss-H as if they were on the same layer 2 network, even though they are physically located on different networks. This enables organizations to extend their wireless LAN coverage and provide seamless roaming user experience. What solution does Miss-H provide in this use case? The wireless LAN client is designed to only access the last gateway resort, thereby preventing any exposure of the internal network. Seamless roaming facilitated for wireless LAN client without the need for supplement or additional configuration. By leveraging Miss-H, organization can provide a robust and secure wireless LAN without additional burden on their IT staff. Going to the topology, we have a campus network topology here. On top of the layer, we have a SLX1 gateway, providing as a firewall for the wireless LAN client as well as the last gateway. Border leaf, we have a static route to the SRX. Also, it provides connection to Miss-H1 and Miss-H2, which facilitated from access point tunneling to the Miss-H. On spine 1, spine 2, leaf 1, and leaf 2, we have BGP routes. And underneath leaf 1 and leaf 2, we have layer 2 domains. On leaf 1, we have the IRB for all the layer 2 device. This providing the gateway for the access point. On the next slide, we have an output from visitor client without tunnel being setting up. So on this output, we don't have Miss-H being utilized, and we confirm that all the network device is being exposed to user visitor, this creating unsafe environment for the organization. On this other slide, we have a visitor with tunnel viewpoints. With tunnel being setting up on the Miss-H, we have benefit of visitor won't see the internal network device and only its gateway that is visible. This approach provides a layer of security for the internal network, as visitors are isolated from the internal device and only able to access resources that have been specifically made available through the gateway. Visitor will have traffic segregation from the internal wired traffic. Visitor also roaming seamlessly with help of Miss-H as if they are in the same location. On this output, we confirm trace route to Google DNS with the help of tunnel to Miss-H. We only see the SLX gateway, and we're not able to see any other internal network device. This confirm Miss-H functional. On this slide, We are on Marvis GUI, and Marvis is one of monitoring feature in Miss GUI. We type roaming of visitor. We confirm that this user roaming between AP45 and AP43, including the timestamps when the user roaming. We now confirm that during the roaming, we have a continuous ping output to Google, that by doing transition AP, we only having single packet drop during the transition. Okay, now let's look the magic behind this. We have our table for the access point. We have internet host 8.8.8.8 is using layer 2 tunnel protocol. 1033.8.103 is the laptop client. And on the bottom, we have a confirmation that our access point, which is 10.164.103, is creating a tunnel to 10.33.123.200, which is Miss H termination point. I hope this presentation has been helpful. Thank you.